Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. I'm not sure if I covered this one previously. It's a 044 Stihl that I've just pressed the cases apart and got the crank out of. The crank's had a fairly bad failure. You can see in the bottom there, there's quite a bit of, there was actually some metal flakes that I got out before. So this is the crank out of it. You can see where the cage has let go in a couple of spots. I'll turn that around enough to actually see it. And it's gotten very hot and a lot of movement. So this is the replacement. It's another 10mm. Hopefully this one will be okay. I've checked it all out very, very carefully. The crank looks fine, so we've got OEM gaskets and seals. OEM piston. Look at this one yet. It's a nice one, as they always are, the genuine stuff. Husky's no different. When you've been doing it for a little while, you can very quickly pick just by the, basically by the feel of the item, whether it's nice or whether it's just a knockoff. So I'll get these bearings pressed out, get these cases cleaned up, and we'll get into it, and I'll keep you updated on the progress. So until next time, I'll talk to you all soon.